Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I would like to present you this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition 25 at TFSI with the 5-speed manual transmission. Now this particular example is finished in the fantastic progressive red metallic paintwork to really give this A1 that unique appearance. As well as this, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. Moving on now, looking at the key features, with this being the Black Edition model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling at the front and also with the rear diffuser and the side skirts as well. The Black Edition package does also feature the gloss black roof as well as the black badging and black window surrounds. As I look towards the front of the vehicle, we find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these Black Edition specific 18-inch 7.5 J-spoke dynamic design alloys, part of the Audi Sport range. They do really complement that lovely red paintwork. To the side of the vehicle now, there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, as well as keeping those valuable items from view. Moving into the rear boot space of the A1 Sportback now, where we find up to 335 litres of storage space. To save large amount for a smaller hatchback of this size, to make it very practical. You can easily accommodate 2 smaller carry-on cases and a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a half-leather interior with the additional cloth elements in the centre. As well as this, we do have the Isofix points, which are neatly located across the back row. Aluminium trims to carry on into the rear of the cabin, and you do also get these sporty stripes on both front seats. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin, with a large amount of plush materials such as fine nap leather, cloth and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, again you do feature the 2-tone leather seats, which are of a sporty design and do feature the lighter grey stripes as well as the Audi Sports logo. Above now we find the virtual cockpit display, in which does feature the 2 digital rev counters. This screen can also be used to access telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle information. Now looking towards the centre of the dash, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So thank you for watching this presentation of this approved use Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition. This vehicle is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, do contact our friendly sales team.